syempre, part ng preparation ng pagiging isang mabuting parent ay yung pagiging well-informed and well-read. Kaya naman starting today, magre-review ako at magre-recommend ng mga librong siguradong makakatulong sa inyo. Ito ang una kong i-review, ang What to Expect When You're Expecting. Nakita niyo naman may mga post-it notes pa dito at saka mga bookmarks na talagang naging very useful sa akin itong librong ito. And in fact, almost all my friends have this book, whether nanganak na sila o kasalukuyang nagbubuntis. And I'll tell you now kung ano yung mga parts ng book na ito na tiyak na makakatulong sa inyo. First chapter is, of course, now that you're pregnant. It will tell you what to expect now that you're pregnant, yung pregnancy diet. Dito rin sa chapter nito, makikita mo dito yung double up on nutrition, not on calories. Kasi di ba karamihan ng mga buntis, sinasabi nila, eating for two, eating for two. Hindi nila alam na yung baby nila ay konti lang naman ang kinakain inside the womb. Kaya karamihan ng taba ay napupunta sa nanay. Kaya magkakaproblema tuloy pagkapanganak dahil mahirapan siya i-lose yung weight na yon. Ito pa ilang parts ng book na helpful for mommies who are pregnant. It tells you what happens every month. 4th month, 5th month, 6th month, 7th month, 8th month, 9th month, hanggang ikaw ay manganak. Ito rin, interesting chapter. It also talks about making love during pregnancy. So very important to for the daddy-to-be and the mommy. For the couple, is it safe to make love during pregnancy? Nandiyan din sa librong ito. Also in this book, yung favorite chapter ko, chapter 8, yung exercise during pregnancy. Naka-illustrate dito yung iba't ibang mga exercises na pwedeng gawin ng pregnant woman na magiging safe naman, hindi lang para sa kanya, kundi para sa kanyang baby in the womb. So, andito yung shoulder stretch, standing leg stretch, andito rin ang cat position or on fours, tailor sit or tailor stretch, at marami pang forms of exercise to ensure that you get the right exercise for you and your baby. Gusto kong chapter sa book na ito, yung what it's important to know about pre-labor, false labor, and real labor. Malaking tulong to para sa mga nag-delivery. Ito pa yung isang favorite chapter ko sa book, all about breastfeeding. What's important to know about breastfeeding, why breast is best, at kung ano-ano pa tungkol sa pag-breastfeed. And for first-time moms, maganda tong book na ito dahil naka-explain din sa page 400 yung breastfeeding basics that every first-time breastfeeding mom should know. Nandito yung mga positions sa proper breastfeeding. Favorite ko rin to kasi naka-illustrate kung ano-ano yung mga breastfeeding positions na pwedeng gawin ng isang breastfeeding mom. Yung crossover hold, yung football hold, yung cradle hold, at yung side lying hold. And finally, as we all know, parenting is not just about mothers, it's also about fathers. Kaya meron din chapter para sa mga tatay. Ang chapter 17, Fathers are expectant too. So, dinidetail dito kung ano yung mga concerns or expectations ng mga fathers at yung mga sagot dito. So, mag-guide pati yung mga tatay. So, yan, nakita nyo, very helpful yung book na ito at ilang chapters pa lang nga na-explain ko sa inyo kung ano na yung mga may expect yung basahin dito. So, I highly recommend this book, What to Expect When You're Expecting, para sa mga mommies to be.
ABC, easy as 1, 2, 3. All simple as do, re, mi. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl. ABC, easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh, simple as do, re, mi. ABC, 1, 2, 3, baby.